this is going to be a follow-up to that video. And it turns out that I didn't fix the problem. I kept running the machine throughout that day, and the low air pressure alarm came back on my automatic. So the whole purpose of me running that last video about my low air pressure on the automatic was to see if we can get anybody out there with a second opinion of some of the things that I tried to fix it. And I guess there wasn't anybody with enough knowledge to at least comment for me to look at it from a different point of view. But it's okay, because the following day I had a friend come over and take a look at the machine, my compressor and the air dryer. Okay, so believe it or not, all I did was change my air dryer. The very first time that my air dryer went out, which was this one, that was stupid expensive. I paid like $1,500 or $1,600 for it. I guess the fridge technology that's in there that separates the water from the air wasn't working, so it was bringing all the water into my machine, and it was causing, it was making me drain the water on my filter like twice a day, which was way too much. So at an auction I bought this one for like 20 bucks, and I got that one for like, I don't know, maybe the same amount. They were super cheap, nobody wanted them. I switched it to this one, and this one was working fine for like 6 months. No, maybe longer, almost a year. And recently that one lost a lot of pressure, so it was giving me the alarm and I wasn't able to print. I changed the air filter that was on the machine with the pressure regulator, and it worked for half a day, and then it went back to giving me the alarm. So Nicolas suggested that that could be the problem, so we swapped it and it worked. So that was the fucking problem right there. That was the problem. Now, when my friend came over to look at the machine and how I ran my hoses and everything, he saw another problem, that it's currently not causing any issues, but I am gonna fix it. So I'm supposed to run from the compressor. It needs to come out in a 3/4 inch air hose, which is what goes to my air dryer. And then this is the input, and then the output needs to be also a 3/4 inch, and I currently have a 1/2 inch. It's not causing the alarm to pop up, but it could be a potential, it could cause a potential problem in the future. So I'm gonna swap out that hose to a 3/4 hose